Bebop, or bop, is a style of jazz developed in the early to mid-1940s. The style featured tunes that were primarily written for faster tempos and contained numerous and complex chord progressions. The bebop style often required a certain level of virtuosity from the musicians that played it. Bebop developed as the younger generation of jazz musicians expanded the creative and possibilities of jazz beyond the popular dance-oriented swing style. At the time, it was considered to be musicians' music, not nearly as danceable as swing, and was meant more for listeners. Whereas the key ensemble of the swing era was the big band of up to 14 pieces, playing in an ensemble-based setting, the classic bebop group generally consisted of a small combo of 2 to 3 horn players and a rhythm section. Tunes, often called the head, were more often than not played in unison, after which time the musicians each improvised a short solo over the chord changes of the tune. Bebop tunes contained a higher degree of rhythmic density than swing-era tunes. Melodies often outlined notes of chord changes that were moving along at a fast pace. Charlie Parker and Dizzy Gillespie represented the bebop era better than anyone else. Their composed melodies or tunes were often set to popular tunes of the day, with harmonic alterations that would allow the musicians more freedom when improvising. Listen to the first 8 measures of the Charlie Parker tune called Anthropology as a classic bebop composition that is based on the chord changes to Gershwin's famous tune called I've Got Rhythm.
Here's Anthropology.
Confirmation is another famous tune by Charlie Parker. Make note of the difficult steps and leaps inherent in the melody. Okay, now that you have a little bit of understanding of bebop, if you didn't already, it's time to write a bebop tune. So what I've done here is give you some chord changes and a rhythm. As you can see, the rhythm is a little more dense than maybe a swing tune would be, most likely. So follow the rhythm and use the chord changes. It's basically a kind of like a confirmation blues type of chord change. You'll recognize it when you play through it. But write a nice melody in the bebop style, and we'll just keep this going. Thanks a lot. You can upload once you've downloaded the links below, either the PDF file or the XML for Sibelius or the Finale file, you can then upload again, make sure you've logged in. And I'll go over these, and we'll hopefully put a bebop tune together with the next 8. Well, it'd probably be 32-bar tune, but we'll just keep going. Thanks a lot.